Good morning, guys. This is our second day on Con Dao Island, and yeah, I'm a little bit. I got a little sick, so I don't feel the best. Maybe because all day on the sun and with the water. I hope it's not Corona. But I'm still fine, and right now we are going to do some shootings from the drone. So we hope we can see some beautiful sceneries, and so let's go.
Trust me, we got the power to change the world. Need you to trust me.
Hey guys, so this was incredible. This was my best flying drone ever, I think. I never had so good shots like here. So I'm really looking forward how the recording will look like on the screen. But man, this was incredible. I have goosebumps right now, and I hope you will like it. I'm so excited about this island and about the really nice shots I could make it here. Wow. Con Dao, they have a national park, like a reservation, and around here are the mountains where you can hike. There are beautiful sidewalks and beautiful trees, jungle. So this is one of the things you can do here. You can climb those beautiful mountains and do some hiking. So this is our first hike in the Con Dao Island, and right now we're going down the stairs like this. Okay, Mehdi, how much was the ticket for entry to National Park of Con Dao?
Wait, 120 for two people is mean 6,000 for one people.
60,000 for one. So it's around €2.50, $2.50, so $3 around to entry to the national park. So it's not bad. It's cheap.
Yeah, cheap, not so expensive.
Yeah, Kim's shoes are not the perfect for hiking. Welcome to the jungle of Con Dao. So beautiful place to be right now. There are a lot of trees, a lot of birds, monkeys, and we are here in the dry season actually, so there are no streams and springs, but usually during the rainy season there are a lot of like the streams and springs, a lot of water here. Okay guys, we just got back from a hike and we are going to have some lunch. So here we are, Jamin Bistro. They should have some good homemade meals. Check it out. Chicken salad, spaghetti carbonara, and tenderloin steak. Hi guys, Adam here and Kim. We are back from hiking and we were sleeping a little. I was feeling very bad, and so I bought the salt water and I clean my throat a little. I sleep maybe 1 hour and now it's getting better. I feel much better right now, so I hope it's gonna stay like this, and I hope I will get better any minute. So yeah, we are just relaxing near the pool. It's amazing here. Hotel Secret, you can see. Yeah, we want to drink something. Yeah, sure, thank you. So they brought us menu and we're going to drink something.